Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having an awesome day today. Hey, today I'm going to show you guys making an automatic pig waterer for my pigs. I got pinned up over there. You guys probably seen the video of me making the automatic gravity fed pig feeder. And if you haven't seen that, I'll put an iCard somewhere right up over there somewhere. You guys can go check that out and you can see how to make an automatic pig feeder. And now I'm going to show you guys how to make an automatic waterer. So if you guys are new, or if you're thinking about getting pigs, this little series I'm doing is going to show you guys exactly what you need to do to raise pigs. You don't have to do it the same way I do, but the way I've been doing it for several years now is really effective for me. And so I want to share that with all you guys out there that may be looking to get into raising some pigs. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and click the little bell for notifications. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay, you guys can see I already have one automatic pig water. That's a 300-gallon tote, and I put a nipple out on the end right over there. And this, I've used this for several years now. It works awesome, but we're not using this pin right now. So I'm going to be converting this old pickle barrel. It has feed in right now. I have to transfer the feed over. I'm going to transfer that into my new automatic pig water. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to wash out this barrel back here. It's an old pickle barrel. I've had it for several years now. I've been using it for feed, but I can get these other barrels pretty cheap and pretty much on demand. These are kind of hard to come across. I got that off of Craigslist here, like I said, a few years ago. So let's convert it into pig water. Got to rinse it out. Then I'll go get my drill and I'll go get the nipples. I'm using 1/2-inch nipples. I'll show them to you guys here in a little bit. And the stuff I use in this video, I'll find a link down below if you guys need a nipple, or if you guys like the drill I'm using. I'll put an Amazon link down below if you guys. Okay guys, I got my food grade barrel, 55-gallon drum barrel, all cleaned out, ready to go. I got a 3/4-inch bit, paddle bit, and I got 2 1/2-inch nipples. And I'll show you guys these. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one, probably about 10 inches high off the bottom of the barrel. And then I'm gonna bring another one up over here to the side, and I'm gonna put it probably about 15-16 inches off the barrel. That way when they're small, they have no problem drinking. As they grow, they can move to the next nipple. That's what I'm gonna do. There's other videos out there of people doing these barrel automatic drinkers, and they work, automatic waters, and they work awesome. And those 2 pigs over there, they desperately need fresh, clean water daily because they keep getting all theirs all muddy and dirty. So we're gonna build this one real quick. It won't take very long at all. It's a real easy, kind of fun project to do. Get back. All right, got both of them screwed in there. You seen that? We'll see if there's any leaks. I'm gonna go ahead and stick it in the pig pen itself. If there's gonna be any leaks, it'll be minor. I can come back out here and I'll spray a little Flex Seal on it or something like that. But I can almost guarantee if it's a leak, it's gonna be minimal. But let's put it in there and see if the pigs will go at it. All right, guys, there you got it. That one's actually getting a drink out of there. I don't know if you can see it or not. She's going at it. Thing is, these pigs have been on a nipple before, so there's no doubt they already know what to do. You can see her drinking it right there. Nice, clean, fresh water. Both of them are getting one now. There you go. That's cool. Much needed fresh water for them. Like I said, I was coming here every day and I clean this out, and it's just getting nasty because all they're doing is sitting in it, laying in it, taking a bath in it. So now they got 55 gallons of fresh, clean water daily. So that's awesome. They're both going to town on it to look at them. Got to be refreshing. All right, guys, like I said before, any of the stuff I use in the video, I'll put a link down below to Amazon. You guys, if you guys need something like that, you can go check it out, order it if you need to. Helps me out a little bit, get a few pennies on the dollar for everything you guys order off me. I really do appreciate all y'all's support, and a lot of you guys do order stuff from my Amazon account, and like I said, I do appreciate it. Thank you very much. But yeah, here's a quick way to make an automatic pig waterer. Works great. Thing's gonna hold up just fine. I've seen a lot of other people use the same style. I've actually got the same style set up on a 300-gallon tank over there. I've had it for a couple, 2-3 years now. It's always worked awesome. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, smash that like button. Hey, share it if you think other people like to see how to make one of these. Really simple, like a 10-minute project. Share it for me. Share it on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you want to do. I really do appreciate it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.